Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft, of course, pushing AI on so many different software programs, the Windows operating system, and even online and its different services. Well, the Photo app, for some insiders, is getting an AI upgrade. And this is in the hope that AI can help put all of your pictures in categories. Now, you might not like AI, and you might not want AI to go through your pictures. There will be a option in the settings where you'll be able to say that you don't want to use the AI capabilities in your Photo app. But if you're like me and all the pictures are just random, and I've got a lot of pictures, as you see on the top here, 14,000 pictures. If AI can put all of my pictures together into categories, I would actually be happy to let it do that job personally. The fact is that Microsoft does say that the AI that will go through the pictures to put them in categories will not send any pictures to Microsoft at all. It simply will use learning to identify what the pictures are, what's in it, and just put what it thinks is to be together on one folder. So it's going to be interesting to see. I've checked my Windows Insider machines. Still don't have anything AI on my Photos app. So hopefully I might have it soon and test it out, see how it goes. But this could be useful for some people. I think a lot of us have pictures like me just scattered all across the hard drive and even the cloud or wherever you have your pictures, and that they're not categorized. And you know what happens? You try to find a picture to show someone and you don't know where it is. So hopefully this will help out in that way. I know a lot of people don't want AI to do anything on their PC, but I think this could be an interesting new feature to test out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.